Good afternoon mga kasurog and welcome to the Ako Bicol Cup. We are Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. We are live here at the Magallanes Coliseum sa heart of the Rodeo capital of the Philippines, Masbate City, for our second game dito sa ating day 23 of eliminations. Ang maglalaban ngayon ay ang team ng Mobo versus Baleno. Two teams will go at it head-on, kaya tutok lang kayo. Syempre, Ako Bicol Cup is brought to you by Rep Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa, kasama na din si Kong Jill Bongalon. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, si David Joshua Bernales, and ang ating magiging analyst na si Coach Paul Sepe.
Yes, good afternoon partner, and good afternoon po sa lahat ng ating manonood. No? So these two teams, Baleno and Mobo, still has a contention for our top two teams for to advance sa ating quarterfinals. So for Team Baleno, this is a must win for them if they want that solo spot on their number 2 spot, partner, dun sa team standing. But for Team Mobo, sabi nga natin na naghahabol pa rin dito para of course magkaroon pa ng chance na makapasok dun sa ating second round. Ang kartada is 3-2 and for Baleno naman is 4-1 dito. So ito partner, excited na dito itong mga tao. So wag na natin itong patagalin, no? At iba na natin sa ating arena announcer na si Mr. JV Salvidar.
This is your daily weekly Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, brought to you by Thomas Manny of Ako Bicol Portuguese, we welcome you everyone inside of the Magallanes Coliseum for Ako Bicol Federation. Our second game will be having Team Baleno versus Team Mobo. Let's first start with Team Mobo. Wearing jersey number 1, Miguel Reyes. Wearing jersey number 9, Joel Santos. Wearing jersey number 20, Mark-Eric Alamo. Wearing jersey number 21, John Lawrence Ulampo. Wearing jersey number 45, Ace Marcos. And for the first time for Team Baleno, wearing jersey number 30, Roy Del Costa. Wearing jersey number 12, Mark Wu. Wearing jersey number 20, Chad Kalimuta. Wearing jersey number 24, Jonas Chopino. And wearing jersey number 26, Ron Elarosa. And for the officials for this hockey, Richie Ronnie Paradiza. Number 1, Edgar Canal, and number 2, CJ Sanchez. This is the Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Atito!
And ayun na nga coach, no, kagaya ng sabi mo, this is a high stakes game para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Kaya huwag na nating patagalin. Umpisa na natin with the tip-off. Ang pupunta, possession dito sa mga taga-Baleno. Baleno are wearing green. And para sa mga taga-Mobo naman is wearing brown. Lupango gets that steal to open up this ball game. Cabrera passes to the corner to his teammate for 3. No good para kay Karangoy doon.
At ito nga, talagang importante laban na ito for Team Baleno. Kasi nga, they lost to Team Aurora on their last outing. At again, ito din mga taga-Mobo, medyo inalat nung unang napasok nila dito sa ating torneo. But again, nung mga sumunod na laban nila is nagtuloy-tuloy din yung pagkapanalo nito. So still, they are in contention dun sa top 2 para sa ating second round, partner.
Pero yun, napakagandang sequences doon para sa both teams natin. Pero Mark Poole gets the steal, goes inside, laying it up. It's good. 2-pointer para kay Mark Poole to open up this ball game para sa team ng Baleno.
Good strong drive dito kay Mark Poole, partner. So kailangan dito talaga mag-produce ito si Mark Poole. Isa sa mga talagang main guys itong Baleno. But again, on the other hand, Jomar Santos for 2 points. That's the first 2 points of Jomar Santos dito sa ating ball game.
Gandang putback basket noon kay Jomar Santos, coming up with his own miss. Nakuha niya. And tie ball game tayo dito ngayon mga kasurog. Mark Poole passes to Kalimutan. Balik kay Jokino. Balik kay Mark Poole ang bola dito. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Nice fake there by Jokino. Fires for 3. That's good.
Ito si Jokino, partner. I know he can take that shot talaga. So I watch him play sa Sorsogon leg. So maganda din ang shooting percentage ito. Pero sabi nga natin, naglalaro siya coming from an injury. Pero tingnan natin kung ano makakontribute niya dito for Team Baleno.
Pero yun, pull to Fragoso. No good sa kanyang dunk attempt. Pero matatawagan ng foul dito si Jomar Santos. 2 shots ngayon para kay Fragoso.
Good find on Mark Bull to cutting Noy Fragoso on that play. And a good aggressive move dito kay Noy Fragoso at nakakuha siya dito ng foul mula kay Jomar Santos.
Nice connection between these two key players para sa Team Baleno. First shot of Fragoso is good. Second shot para kay Noy. 2 for 2. That time, si Fragoso. Perfect from the line.
Ito nga, partner, ito si Fragoso. Kanina nilapitan niya ako. Sabi niya, Coach, paano ba to? Sabi ko, Noy, this game will be an important game for you guys. Kasi dapat wag kayo matalo dito.
Pero ayan, another pass from Poole. This time, connects and converts para sa 2-pointer there ni Fragoso.
It's a good transition play on the part of Baleno. But again, second chance opportunity for Mobo, partner, on that play, courtesy of Marcos.
Karangoy for 3, no good.
Still struggling itong si Karangoy. That's the second attempt niya sa 3-point country, mintis yun. But may nahanap doon ng foul itong ating referee. That's on number 20. That's Jeff Kalimutan, first personal foul dito.
Pero ayun, nice inbound there from the side of Mobo for that 2-pointer of Jomar Santos. 4 points in the game para dito kay Santos.
Siya pala nakaka-score dito, partner.
Nice
for Team
fake
Mobo. As Jonas Jokino overcooks that one. Good drive sana, partner, on the part of Jokino. And maganda din yung screen na binigay dito ni Noy Fragoso. At mintis yan.
Pero yan, one more chance dito para sa Baleno. Fragoso will go back to the line and one para sa kanya dito.
Good elevator play on that block, partner. At talagang open na open doon si Noy Fragoso at wala na nagawa itong si Marcos dito. That's the first foul.
Napakaganda nung set na binigay doon ng teammate dito ni Fragoso. Beautiful screen there.
And a good play for Team Baleno. Sabi nga nito ni Fragoso kanina, partner, talaga, Coach, gagawin ko na lang. All out na lang ako dito sa larong ito as I talked to him a while ago. But again, miss siya dun sa free throw na yon.
Yeah. 7 minutes and 3 seconds remaining mga kasurog. Dito sa ating first quarter lamang ang Baleno dito. Pero yun, on the other side, a layup is good para kay Miguel Ryan Cabrera. Mark Poole on the other hand with a revenge 3-pointer. 5 points in this ball game. Cabrera humihingi ng tao dito. Passes to Santos. Fires a 3. Santos no good sa kanyang attempt. Fragoso securing the rebound for Baleno. It's a turnover by Jokino on that strong pass from Mark Poole.
Wala na nagawa doon si Jokino, partner. Nung pag-ikot niya, nakatalon na siya eh. So naghanap na lang siya ng outlet doon and hindi ready si Mark Poole on that play.
Little miscommunication on the side of Baleno. Pero on the other side, Lupango for 3. No good. In and out. Half-court pass dito para kay Fragoso. Fragoso on the inside, kicks it out to Mark Poole. Mark Poole goes inside, lays it up, no good. Sayang nun, pero andito yung kakampi ng Baleno. De La Rosa will go to the line for that risky layup.
But before that, partner, that's a sorry miss on Mark Poole. But a good strong drive pa rin. But again, good recognition naman ito ni De La Rosa to steal that ball.
First attempt dito ni De La Rosa. The shot is good.
Ito, magandang contribution nito ni De La Rosa dito, partner. Sabi nga natin, medyo kulang itong Baleno dito. Wala itong si Sean Manlapas, itong si Pajaro at si Salvacion.
Yeah.
That's why ito nabibigyan ng pagkakataon dito itong si De La Rosa. But again, a strong move on that part of Mobo, courtesy of Mark Carongoy on that play.
5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Pool passes to Joquino for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Pragoso spins. Fakes. Passes on the outside. One more chance para kay Joquino. Floater. No good. Balik kay Mark. Pool for 3. That's short. Santos ngayon nagmamadali dito. Going all the way. Lays it up. That's good. Using the board for that 2-pointer. Pero on the other side, Pragoso. Binawi ka agad yung layup doon by Santos.
At dito, abante ng 7 itong mga taga-Baleno dito.
Santos now powering inside, posting up his defender. Passes to Karangoy. Karangoy will float it up. It's good.
That's the 4-point of Mark Karangoy dito sa ating ball game.
Pool drives inside. Matatawagan ng foul dito. Jersey number 18, Lanuza. And tatawag dito ng timeout ang Team Mobo with 4 minutes and 46 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. 5-point lead by Baleno.
Yes, partner. At ito nga, they will take talkings over, no? Kasi nga medyo nakakaabante dito ang mga Baleno. Good start and a strong aggressive start for Team Baleno dito sa ating ball game.
And nakikita natin, coach, na napakarami ng manonood dito sa loob ng Magallanes Coliseum. Kung gusto nyo, mga kasurog manood, pwede po kayong pumunta dito sa Masbate City, dito sa Magallanes Coliseum for our third game today. And tomorrow we will be at Placer for our last day of eliminations. And syempre, sa ating mga live viewers, sa ating mga social media accounts, don't forget to like and share our stream para mas marami ang makapagpanood at sumuporta sa Ako Bicol Cup Masbate.
Yes,
first
partner.
attempt dun ni Pool is good from the free throw line. Second shot is also good for Mark Pool. 2 for 2 from the line. Mobo ngayon on the offense. Karangoy with the ball. He will go inside, intercepted. That's a steal by Cabug. Baleno ngayon, nasa opensa.
That's a turnover, the part of Rosier Cabug. But ito, partner, 3 guards combination for team Baleno dito. Joquino, Cabug, and Laurio. As Marcos, Intesian, hard rebound for Noy Pragoso.
Cabug again tries for the next time. No good. May offensive rebound siya dito. Fades away. No good pa rin. Karangoy with that rebound. Passes to Santos. Santos fakes. Goes inside. Spins. Lays it up. That's good.
8 points, partner. Ito si Jomar Santos.
Basic fundamentals from the movement there of Jomar Santos. No good sa 3-point attempt there ni Joquino. Pero
malakas naman yung pasa doon, partner.
Di kumonekta yung pasa doon. That's gonna be a turnover on the side of Mobo. Joquino ngayon with the ball para sa mga taga-Baleno. Cabug with the ball, goes inside, passes to Mark Pool. Mark Pool, intercepted yung pass niya doon. Lanuza will get the ball. Open siya dito. Layup, block by Pool. Marcos with a putback. Wala pa rin. One more time para sa Mobo. Wala pa rin. Missed opportunities there to capitalize for Team Mobo. Joquino passes to Pragoso. Pragoso to Joquino. No good. That's a steal from the side of Santos. Lanuza with the ball. Pass kay Santos dito. And maganda na naman yung block ni Mark Pool doon sa attempt ni Santos. Matatawagan siya dito ng traveling violation.
Good defense on the part of Mark Pool, standing his ground against Jomar Santos. At grabe yung mga sequence na yun for both teams, partner. At ito, balik ang bola sa mga taga-Baleno dito.
Cabug for 3. That's good! Rosier Cabug.
First 3-pointer, Rosier Cabug dito sa ating ball game. Coming off the bench. Ito, and he is tasked to defend Mark Karongoy, but
3-pointer there para kay Jomar Santos na ibalik kaagad yung kalamangang binigay dito ni Rosier Cabug. Pero nandito na naman siya ulit. Same spot dito. Pero binabantayan na siya ng mga taga-Mobo. Pragoso with the ball. It's gonna be a traveling violation called on Noy Pragoso. And a little scuffle dito from Karongoy and Cabug. Medyo nagkakainitan mga kasurog dito sa ating hard court.
at ito, may konting kulay doon, partner. Rosier Cabug, sabi nga natin, ito si Rosier talaga, this guy is talagang when it comes to defending. Nung nakaraang laban nila, partner, pinahirapan din ito si Tikboy de Rosario. But again, Tikboy de Rosario, sabi nga natin, nasa Manitis.
Yes.
Maganda din yung pinakita doon sa ball game na yun.
Yeah, really ang trabaho dito ni Rosier Cabug is really to be a pest on the player that he is defending. And nagiging effective naman yun ngayon dahil he is getting under the skin of Karongoy dito. Pero on the other hand, Karongoy passes to Santos. It's gonna be a
foul.
Oh, a technical foul called by our referee. I think that's a technical foul called on Mark Poole.
That's on Laurio.
Oh, Laurio. Okay. It's going to be a foul called on Danilo Laurio.
Resentment to a call, partner.
So may free throw dito si Jomar Santos plus possession.
Yes, partner, possession for Team Mobo dito.
Ayan, Jomar Santos with his attempt is good. That's the first free throw attempt here by Jomar Santos. 22-18 mga kasurog ang ating score. Lamang ng kaunti dito ang Baleno with 2 minutes and 6 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Karongoy with the ball. Stops and pops on the mid-range. No good. And that's going to be a foul called on Marcos. Ace Marcos of Team Mobo.
That's the second foul, partner, on Ace Marcos dito sa ating ball game.
Ball possession will go to Baleno.
So penalty na dito, partner, itong mga taga-Mobo. So this is the chance for them to capitalize on that penalty situation, partner, and always go hard to the basket. But again, ito, Mark Poole.
First attempt is good for Mark Poole. 3-4-3 na siya dito sa ating ball game.
Very steady, partner. Very steady for Team Baleno here. Ito si Mark Poole.
4 makes on the free throw line para kay Mark Poole. Pero on the other hand, Mobo with the ball. Karongoy passes on the inside to Marcos. Marcos spins, fires. That's good.
First 2 points of Ace Marcos dito sa ating ball game.
4-point lead ang hawak dito ng Baleno. Mark Poole with the ball. Passes to the corner. Cabug for 3. One more time. Second 3-pointer made by Rosier Cabug. Karongoy, no good. Pero matatawagan siya ng foul dito. Si Noy Pragoso on the 3-point attempt there by Karongoy. 3 shots ngayon para sa kanya.
It's a first foul on Noy Pragoso at penalty na din. Both teams, partner, with 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining sa ating ball game.
This is a close matchup between these two teams. First attempt of Karongoy is good.
If I'm not mistaken, that's the 5th point of Karongoy dito.
Yes. Second one is good also. He still has one more. That was an unfortunate foul coming from Noy Pragoso, fouling Karongoy on the 3-point line. And he will be perfect this time sa kanyang mga attempts on the free throw line para kay Mark Kenneth Karongoy. Baleno on the offense, intercepted by Karongoy. Fast touch siya dito. Marcos on the other hand will attempt and get a foul. Chance for a 3-point play para kay Ace Marcos. And mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang team ng Baleno with the 58 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Grabe, partner. Talagang ito ang dalawang kupunan na ito ay talagang hindi magpapatalo dito. Kasi nga sabi ko nga, and sabi mo nga kanina, this is a high-stake ball game for these two teams, for Team Baleno. If they want to secure that number 2 spot sa kanilang distrito, ay dapat hindi na sila matalo dito sa ball game na ito.
Yeah.
No? Kasi nga, sabi nga natin, that is a heartbreak loss during the game against Aroroy. But for for Team Mobo, a bit struggling on the beginning of the tournament, but they maintain their composure. May 3 panalo sila at 2 talo. So right now, ito, kaya importante din ito para magkaroon, partner, ng sinasabi natin triple tie on their district. So pag nanalo, partner, ang Mobo, triple tie sila ng Baleno, Mobo at yung Masbate City. But again, ang last game natin, partner, the home team Masbate is against Balud. That is also a high-stake ball game. So this is the last day of elimination dito sa District 2, partner.
Yeah, this is really a high pressure para sa both teams dito. Labanan dito ng placement. Pero ayan, going back sa ating ball game, intercepted pass there by Marcos. On the other side, Oxing Jr. will get his first points in this ball game, tying up our score to 27 apiece. Fragoso will be stepping on the line. That's going to be a turnover para sa side ng Baleno.
Ito, don't look down, partner. 27 all, partner, dito. So titingnan natin kung ano ba gagawin dito ng mga taga Mobo para makuha na ang kalamangan.
Karongoy now passes inside to Santos. Santos is guarded here. Inside pass to Marcos with a fading shot. No good pa rin. Baleno ngayon with the shot clock off. Intercepted by Karongoy. Matatawagan ng foul dito. It's jersey number 24, Antonio. Penalty dito ang Baleno. 2 shots para kay Ralph De La Rosa with 13 seconds left in our quarter to take the lead. No good para sa first attempt dito ni Ralph De La Rosa. One more chance para sa kanya dito. He will make it and will put Baleno on a 1-point lead. 13 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Antonio passes on the other side to Karongoy. 5 seconds. Karongoy, that's a block by Fragoso.
Good offense sana on the part of Mark Karongoy, but better defense on the part of Noy Fragoso.
Let's see that again. And Noy swatting that attempt away from Karongoy. One more chance. Santos will fire for 3. Gets it off in time. Pero that will end our first quarter with a score of 28-27. Lamang ng isa ang team of Baleno.
For sure, partner, this will be a seesaw battle for these two teams. Sabi nga natin, high stake for both teams. 28-27. Itong team ng Baleno dito, partner, pansinin ko lang, they are playing with 3 of their players not suited for them. Namely, Sean Manlapas, Fajardo, and itong si Salvacion.
Yes.
But again, tingnan natin kung ano makikontribute ng mga other players nila coming off the bench. But again, ito lamang mga taga-Mobo dito. This is an almost complete team dito. And again, this will be an exciting one. So again po, sa lahat ng ating late tuners, this is the second game of our triple header this afternoon. Kanina po, naglaro ang Aroroy versus Milagros at a very convincing win for Team Aroroy on that match. And also this one, Baleno and Mobo. And right after this po, mamaya, ang home team, Masbate City, will be facing Team Balod dito sa District 2.
Ayan, let us go back to our ball game with our second quarter. Napakaganda ng performance on the early stages of our first quarter ang ginawa dito ng mga taga-Baleno. Pero on the latter parts, bumawi yung mga taga-Mobo and tying the ball game kanina to 27. Pero with that second free throw of De La Rosa puts Baleno on the lead. Pero ayun, coming in to the second quarter, a three-pointer by Jomar Santos puts Mobo now on the lead.
Oh, partner, speaking of points, pansinin natin leading scorers dito sa ating ball game. Jomar Santos 15 points. At sa kabila itong si Mark Poole may 9 points na rin dito.
Grabe. Pero yun, a turnover there on the side of Baleno. It's a steal by Oxing Jr. Antonio now with the ball. To Karongoy, to Santos. Santos goes inside. Backs it up. Passes to Oxing Jr. for 3. That's good.
Ito si Oxing Jr. partner during their last outing. This is the Kasorog player of the game.
Napakarami din ng mga 3-pointers made doon ni Oxing Jr. Pero ayun, a 3-pointer on the other side is no good para sa Baleno. Mobo will take possession on that out-of-bound play. Karongoy with the ball para sa Mobo. Kaya si Antonio. Antonio naghanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Santos. Santos on the other side to Oxing Jr. Fade away. No good sa kanyang attempt. One more chance para sa Mobo dito. Antonio gets that ball. Floats it up. No good. Fragoso passes to Santos. Nako. Santos passes to the wrong man. Dito naman ngayon. Baleno. Nasa opensa. De La Rosa with the ball. Inside. Stops and pops on the mid-range is good.
Grabe yung mga sequence na yun. Buti na lang, nahabol pa ni De La Rosa for 2 points.
Santos for 3, no good. Baleno ngayon ang nasa opensa. To capitalize, De La Rosa with a floater, in and out. Pero nakuha niya yung miss niya doon with a steal from Santos. A 3-pointer, Joquino, wala pa rin. Fragoso, one more time. Kuha dito ni Karongoy yung pasa doon ni Fragoso. Grabe yung depensa dito ng Baleno. Nakuha ni De La Rosa ang bola. Open siya dito. Reverse layup. That's good!
Grabe ito si De La Rosa. Kinuha pa. At may foul dito. At again, partner, puntahan muna natin si Barbie sa ating courtside. Barbie, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Burns and Coach Paul. We are currently witnessing a battle between two evenly matched teams. And coming from an upset matchup last time, Team Baleno is thirsty to win today against Team Mobo. During my pregame interview, Coach Allen said that they will materialize what they practiced last night and strengthen their defense since he believes that this is the best offense. However, Team Baleno is having a 9-man rotation in this ballgame. Wala ang kanilang 3 players na kadalasang kasali sa first 5 ng team. Kaya naman nagpaalala si Coach Allen sa kanyang players na iwasan ang foul, lalo na nang natitira nilang key players. At inaasahan niyang mag-show up ng kapasidad at galing ang kanilang local players na sinakabog at kalimutan. Ito na muna ang latest mula sa courtside. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Barbie, on your update on our court sides. Pero ayun, napakaganda ng defensive stop ni Fragoso doon. Pero na-put back ni Ace Marcos from the side of Mobo.
At ito, lamang na dito, partner, itong mga taga-Mobo. Sabi ko nga, sanay ba dito itong mga taga-Baleno na sila ang naghahabol dito?
Grabe ang hiyawan ng mga tao dito sa ating Magallanes Coliseum. De La Rosa open for 3, no good. Marcos with that rebound. Mobo now on the offense. Marcos gets blocked there by Poole. Pero nandun na si Santos to clean up the mess. And another steal here para sa Mobo. Oxing Jr. with the ball. Passes to Santos. Santos goes in. Lays it up. It's good. Plus a foul and a chance for a 3-point play.
Grabe. The ageless one, Jomar Santos, taking over this game, partner.
Napakainit dito ng mga taga-Mobo. Sinabayan pa ng hiyawan ng mga fans nila dito. Grabe.
Eto, abante na dito, partner. ng 7.
See
Itong
that again.
good drive, partner. Naisahan doon si Mark Poole, ni Jomar Santos on that play.
Momentum dito ang mga taga-Mobo kaya napatawag ng timeout ang coach ng Baleno to at least stop that momentum. Pero may free throw pa dito si Jomar Santos sa pagbabalik ng ating quarter. 6 minutes and 17 seconds left on our first half. Still, Mobo now changing the favor to them. The 7-point lead. Complete the 3-point play dito ngayon si Santos.
Chance for Santos to complete the 3-point play, partner.
Completes it and extends their lead to 8 points. Highest scorer natin in this ball game si Jomar Santos. Grabe ang contributions niya talaga when it comes to playing offense and defense for the side of Mobo. Pero ayan, Mark Poole now the side of Baleno, stops and pops on the mid-range, no good. Pero matatawagan ng foul dito si Lanuza. Papakimbot si ref with that foul call on Lanuza.
That's on Raymark Lanuza. That's the third foul on Raymark Lanuza dito sa ating ball game.
Yeah, three fouls early on in this ball game. That's gonna be delikado. Pero yun, a 3-point attempt is a little bit long para kay Lario. Antonio now para sa Mobo with the ball. Kicks it to Oxing Jr. Open siya dito. Fires for 3. That's good.
Ito, don't leave that guy open. Ito si Oxing, partner, talagang na-shoot niya yan, mga 3 points na yan. So, di kalawang 3-pointer ni Oxing Jr. sa ating ball game. Mayroon na siyang 8 points dito as Jokino tries to answer. Wala.
Sig rebound, Dario puts it back. Gandang depensa kay Lanuza pero nakuha ulit ng Baleno ang bola dito. Jokino, Mark Poole for 3. No good.
Still misses. Dito, itong si Mark Poole.
Lot of missed opportunities to get back on those second chance points para sa Baleno. Pero on the other side, Santos. That's a long 3-pointer. Almost goes inside. Mark Poole now. Going all the way. No good. 2 shots ngayon para kay Mark Poole.
So that's a foul on number 14, Nicolas Oxing Jr. It's the first personal foul. At ito, abante na ng 11 dito, itong mga taga-Mobo.
Gabo Guela go inside dito sa ating hard court. Mark Poole with his first attempt. That's good. Mark Poole is really being a reliable free throw shooter for the side of Baleno.
Yes, partner. At 10 points na siya dito sa ating ball game.
Pero coach, hindi ko napansin, 10 na pala ang kalamangang hawak dito ng mga taga-Mobo as
yes,
Mark
partner.
Poole will miss his free throw.
Let's see kung ano gagawin pa dito ng mga taga-Mobo.
Sorry coach, binati ko kasi yung yung efficiency ni Mark Poole kaya nag-miss yung kanyang second attempt. Pero ayan, Oxing Jr. open na naman. Pero this time, hindi papasok ang kanyang 3-point attempt. Jokino fakes. Makes that layup. 5 points in this ball game.
So, kailangan nila yung basket na yun, partner. And sana marami pang ganyan, no? Yung mga opportunities for Team Baleno para makabalik sila dito. But again, ito.
Back to a single-digit lead ang hawak ng mga taga-Mobo. That's a steal by Fragoso. Fragoso going all the way. 2-on-2 fast break. Layup. No, it's good. Disregarding that defensive stop by Antonio. But it doesn't matter as Fragoso will get another 2-pointer in this ball game. Santos gets blocked by Mark Poole again. Nakatatlo na dito si Mark Poole pero interception on the pass there by Oxing Jr.
Ay mga taman dito ang Mobo, partner. Kasi nga ito, there's a mineral na ginagawa nito mga taga-Baleno dito para makabalik sa ating ball game. 37-43 dito. But again, good recognition lagi on the part of Mark Poole. Sana yung pasa na yon, but
Oo.
na-intercepted dito ni Oxing.
Pero sa kabilang side naman, coach, nagkaroon siya ng defensive stop doon sa attempt ni Jomar Santos.
At ito, dapat dito talagang siguraduhin ng Baleno na wag silang matatalo dito, partner. Sabi nga natin, kasi pag nangyari yon, may chance pa itong Mobo at yung mga taga Masbate City for that second spot sa ating District 2 to advance sa ating, of course, quarterfinals.
Pero yan, going back into this ball game, still a single-digit lead ang hawak dito ng mga taga-Mobo. Beautiful inbound pass by Jokino to Pool for that two-pointer. Gandang hanap yon para sa point guard ng Baleno.
Ito naman mga taga-Baleno dito ang nagkakaroon ng mini run.
Snake. Fade away dito ni Oxing Jr. Is no good, pero matatawagan ng foul dito si Ralph De La Rosa.
Good matchup dito sa dalawa, De La Rosa and Oxing Jr. Sa second foul dito ni Ralph De La Rosa sa ating ball game. At palitan ng tao itong si Dalino, ay papasok na din para dito kay Lanuso na may tatlo ng foul partner dito sa ating laro.
Foul trouble siya dito sa ating ball game na ito. Napaka-efficient din na scorer. Ito nga si Lanusa on the side of Mobo. Pero kailangan niya munang magpahinga dito. The first attempt by Oxing Jr. is good. More. He's perfect from the line. Nicolas Oxing Jr. para sa side ng Mobo. 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half.
Ito, 3-2 defense sa pinapakita nitong mga taga-Mobo. Let's see kung ano gagawin dito ng mga taga-Baleno.
Mark Poole with 11 seconds on the shot clock. Passes to the corner. De La Rosa goes inside. Lays it up. No good. 2 shots ngayon para kay De La Rosa. Tatawagan ng foul dito si, I think si Antonio. Oh, si Mark.
That's Mark Carongoy.
Yes.
Second foul dito ni Mark Carongoy sa ating ball game as De La Rosa sinks the first free throw. So, opportunity for Team Baleno para makalapit dito.
Perfect that time. Si Ralph De La Rosa, 4-for-4 in this ball game on the free throw line. 4 points na lang ang natitirang kalabangan dito ng mga taga-Mobo. They need to end this dry spell. Santos ngayon with the ball. Passes to Oxing. Oxing, nice fake there. Extra pass to his teammate Carongoy for 3. No good. That's a steal by Santos. He's gonna step out of bounds and gonna be a turnover para sa side ng Mobo.
Still partner, itong si Mark Carongoy struggling sa ating 3-point country. So, 0 out of 4 itong si Mark Carongoy on the 3-point arc. Pero again, once a shooter partner, titira yan for sure.
Ayan, De La Rosa to Mark Poole, fires a 3. That's good! Mark Poole, another 3-pointer in this ball game. 1-point lead. Hawak ng Mobo dito. Getting back dito sa ating ball game ang mga taga-Baleno. Nice defensive stop there by Mark Poole. And I think Baleno will want to get that replayed. They will have a challenge here. I think
Kokorek lang partner,
Okay.
yung tawag ng ating mga referees.
okay.
Sabi nga, napakabilis kasi ng sequence na yon. So
No need for the challenge.
balik ang bola sa mga taga-Baleno dito.
Chance to capitalize for Baleno. Jokino kicks it out to Poole. Poole will go inside. Layup. That's good! Beautiful lefty finish there para kay Mark Poole. They have the lead here now, Baleno. Out of bounds again para sa side ng Mobo. Another turnover para sa kanila. Jokino, lob pass to Fragoso. Masyadong malakas.
At sabi ni Mark Poole kay Jokino, pare,
Wag.
wag muna kasi yun nga, sabi nga, minsan sa pagmamadali, no? Turnover. Yun, para kay Jokino. Ngayon naman dito, partner, at abante ng isa itong mga taga-Baleno.
Santos now, guarded by Fragoso here. Goes inside, spins, attempts, no good. Mark Poole. Fast break sila dito ngayon. Cabog with the ball, layup. That's good! Plus a foul! And a chance for a 3-point play para kay Rosir Cabog.
That's a foul on the banko.
Nice sequence there from the side of Baleno. Let's see that instant replay as Cabog will attempt that layup. And he finishes that 3-point play.
9 points yan, partner. Si Rosir Cabog sa ating ball game.
Karongoy ngayon struggling offensively in this ball game. Guarded here by Poole. Passes to Santos. Santos will go inside again. Will try one more time. This time it's good para kay Jomar Santos. 2-point lead for Baleno with 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Fragoso holds the ball. Stripped away. Nakuha niya ulit ang bola. Kicks it to the outside. No good sa attempt dito ni Cabog. Karongoy nagmamadali. Layup. No good para kay Karongoy dito. Pero may kuha siya. Pero matatawagan na naman ng out of bounds ang mga taga-Mobo dito. With less than a minute remaining sa ating second quarter.
Still struggling nga itong si Mark Karongoy dito sa ating laro. With 55 seconds remaining sa ating ball game.
Cabog's pass intercepted by Lupango pero nakuha ulit dito ni De La Rosa. Will go all the way for that floater. Out of bounds na naman para sa mga taga-Mobo. They are a little bit of struggling. It is the last seconds of our second quarter. De La Rosa for the possession of Baleno. Passes to the corner. Jokino balik sa kanya ang bola. Goes inside again. Will attempt. One more time. No good. Pero 2 shots ngayon para kay De La Rosa. And our referee will review kanina yung nangyari between Jokino and Antonio.
At ito, tingnan natin, may extra motions, partner, after the call kasi. That's why itong ating si referee na si CJ Sanchez ay kitang-kita iyon. At hindi niya naman kailangan gawin yun, partner. May tawag na eh. There's an extra motion pa rin. But again, our referees will review this.
Words being exchanged there via Jokino and Antonio. The referees are still reviewing the play na nangyari doon, yung scuffle between the two players. Let's wait kung ano yung call nila, coach.
Yes, partner. And again po, itong Ako Bicol Cup Masbate ay atid sa atin ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Partiless. Natabang na, kasurog pa.
Iyon. With 25 seconds remaining in this second quarter, referees have already saw that review and will make their call dito sa ating arena announcer, si Kuis JB Salvidar.
Ito, while waiting again, this is the second game of our triple header, Mobo against Baleno, and later on po, masasaksihan nyo ang labanan naman ng home team Masbate City against Balud. Dito pa rin yan sa inyong inaabangang Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. So palapit na tayo, partners, sa ating second round for District 2. This will be the last day for their elimination, and bukas yung District 3 naman. Balik tayo sa Placer, partner.
Yes.
So yun na natin. And sa Monday, yun na ata ang ating quarter finals, start ng quarter finals.
And penalty dito. Nakikita natin doon sa sequence na yon sa ating replay. Medyo binangga ni Jokino dito si Antonio. His Penalty shots. First attempt is good. Para kay De La Rosa. Second one for him. It's good.
Walking field sportsman and crowd number 24, Jonas Chino, according to number tier number 1. Rule Peters on the even for the Momo has small possession.
And,
Fouls given.
It's an enforcement-like foul mula dito kay Chokino. That's a 2 free throws, partner, for Team Mobo. Plus ball possession.
di kailangan gawin yun ni Chokino, lalong-lalo na ngayon na they are outnumbered in this ball game. So Lupago will shoot his free throws. So good sa kanyang first attempt. No good sa kanyang dalawang attempt dito, but at least Mobo will still have their ball possession. They will try to capitalize this possession.
Chance, partner, for Team Mobo to edge closer for Team Baleno.
Rongoy with the ball here. Fires for 3. No good pa rin. Pero may offensive rebound dito si Marcos.
But there's a foul ay itawag doon, partner.
I think that's gonna be on Mark Poole.
That's the second foul on Mark Poole at penalty dito, partner.
Yan, nakalimot dito ata si ref na penalty situation na pala para sa side ng Mobo. Marcos will shoot his free throws. Shot clock is off, mga kasurog. 12 seconds remaining in this first half. His attempt is good. Para kay Ace Marcos. One more shot. In and out. Last possession dito ngayon na para sa mga taga-Baleno. Mark Poole. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds for 3. No good. And that's gonna be the end of our first half. Ang ating score, mga kasurog, 53-48 lamang ang team ng Baleno.
This is just a 5-point lead, partner, no, for Team Baleno. Again, may isa pa tayong half. At again, sabi nga natin, this is a high-stake ball game for both of these teams. So tingnan natin kung ano pang gagawin nila dito, no? Mga adjustments. And again po, itong ako Bicol Cup Masbate at sa atin Rep Saldico at ang ako Bicol Partless. Katabang na, kasurog pa. So magbabalik po kami.
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang tigi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang tigi sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapakipakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal.